guys, welcome back to my channel. Two things here, maybe three. Okay, so last night on my IG, I told you I was going to review the NARS Climax and the Bye Bye Under Eye. I'm hoping to still do that today. May do it live. Actually, think I'm going to do a video on it. I've been having a couple issues lately. Nothing to do with any of you guys, drama, anything like that. I have been extremely tired lately, and I have a doctor's appointment next Tuesday, and that's as soon as I could get in. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm extremely tired. I did go and have my blood work done and everything. So, we will see, like, what's going on with that. But I did have a video recorded for you guys where I actually did this look. This still is the 24-hour wear. I wore this to bed last night because I wanted to give you guys, you know, my honest opinion on it. I thought it looked cute. I think I'm going to put some, like, little earrings in or something. And I'm going to leave my hair up like this. I'm just going to go out and get my Bubby some stuff. But I'll probably be live later. You guys won't see this until after. But I wanted to get a video out for you guys. So I will let you know how the Maybelline 24-hour foundation is working again for the second time. So we will see. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching. And the mascara that fell off. This stuff is awesome. Like, it really is. For someone with a really bad complexion, that's not bad. Now, I didn't jump into a swimming pool or anything. Now, I did take off my glasses, and as you can see, I mean, very little, you know. But that's nothing that you can't, like, just... What did I use yesterday? I'm trying to think of what I used. I think I used this. But, like I said, I mean, this is, like, nothing that... something so little and minor you can't fix. I need new sponges. All my sponges are gone. And a mirror. But, yeah. This is, like, something that, like, literally would, like, take you, like, 2 minutes to, like, fix. And this is even using the Age Remind. I mean, this isn't using no, like, high-end. Of course, it probably could use some high-end under that one. I got some major baggage under there. But, I mean, for what it is, I mean, like I've said before, like, that's some pretty good, that's some pretty good foundation. So if you're looking for a lower end foundation that is full coverage, I'm using the Cody Spun too. And, like, literally, I could, like, go out like this. Like, and no one would ever know. And I'm still raving about that NARS set. That NARS set is, like, unbelievable. I'm gonna have to, take my, stuff off later anyway. I guess now would have been a good time to try this, but I really want to try this for cut creases and things like that, because this is a very I'm sorry. This is a very, very, very thick consistency, so if I can get it open, that is, because I'm having a heck of a time getting it open. I don't know why they would do that. Well, it's just, give you a chainsaw to open that. Also, I mean, I've been going live, like, yeah, see, it's a pretty small tube, but it's really thick. I'm not going to do it again. This is the lightest you can get. This is 10.0, fair light. This is the lightest, which I think is awesome. I needed the lightest. I'm sorry, my daughter's coming at some point to get the rest of her stuff, so I don't know if that's her, that's my husband, or what. Oh, that's my husband. And then here is the NARS Climax. Isn't that neat? I think that's so cool. We gotta check out that one. Nothing special, you know. I do notice some shorter and longer. But right now, honestly, I have probably like 3 coats of stuff on my eyes, so we ain't gonna mess with that. Anyway, guys, I did have a whole video recorded for you guys of this complete look. I have blue pants on now. But, of this whole look. And, like, it was an awesome video. Like, you know, it was a chit-chat video. And I was getting ready to go out with my dog. And, you know, it was going to be fun. But then I went back and I was editing the video. And some of you know me, some of you don't. I have trouble sleeping. A lot of trouble sleeping. My medicines make me tired. I'm just all out of whack, guys. Like, I'm all out of whack. And I don't want to be portrayed as anything that I'm not, I guess I should say. And, oh, I got myself another foundation brush. I got my daughter's hers too. Anyway, while I'm on here, maybe I should show you what I got her. I got this for my son. He loves penguins. And I always get him these big drink things. So he's gonna love that. And I got my daughter. My daughter's gonna be coming. Why would you lock the door? I got her this. She likes long necklaces. Like, no, she doesn't like them, but with certain shirts. I'm really hoping she likes this because I know it looks so pretty on her. I got her that. And this was in my video, guys, but I couldn't exactly show you. And this one says, like, meow. Or I may have showed this to you in a live. I can't remember which one I did. And then the other couple things I got her. This is the last of her birthday. Okay, so these 3 are these 3. Because she didn't have the bronzer, she didn't what what do you call it? The blush. And she didn't have the foundation. So I got her those. I know what's going to come next. She's going to want every single brush. I know it. I know it. I know it. Lillian, I know it. I'm pretty sure I got her the powder brush. I just got her some little things for school in here. And yeah, and that's about it. But anyway, guys, I want to make this short and sweet. Just wanted to let you know why my last video wasn't put out. Just don't want it to be taken the wrong way, and the way things have been going lately, it seems that people, I don't say people, some people have thoughts in their head that other people put there. So Jess is staying away from the drama. So, by the way, I know I showed you guys this, a couple times, but this is an awesome bronzer brush. Oh my god, I love it. It's awesome. Anyway, guys, yeah. So, that's all I have for today. I'm not really going to edit this video much. Just going to throw in my intro, outro. And that's pretty much going to be it. Oh, I got something for Bubby. Tell me this is not cute. It says, whoa wag for swag. Oh, my darling. Isn't this adorable? And I'm scared. I am. But I did it. I went and I got her, if I can find it. Now, you know what? She had it on last night. It worked good. So you see the design on this? This is the cutest one they had, I'm telling you. This is like the cutest one they had. Anyway, I got her a harness, so she's not so hot. I don't want my dog being hot. And, it has an extra snap on it, you know, so her stuff can be snapped on. And I don't have to worry about it, like right here. It can be snapped right on at the top of her leash, you know. And that way it's easier to show people, and I just can't believe how much hassle I'm getting. It's like ridiculous, but anyway, guys, yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, just give me a call back. Yeah, call back. Just give me a call back. Sorry, my husband's in there on the phone yelling. He knows I'm doing a video, but anyway, yeah, if you have any questions or anything, please leave them in the comments below or message me on IG. I'm not going to talk about gossip or anything like that, so, hang on one moment. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyway, yeah, so, any questions, anything that has anything to do but with drama, because I won't answer those questions, please feel free to email me, message me, whatever you want to do. And like I said, I am going to do my weekly or monthly giveaway. I just wanted to show you this real quick. I got this for my daughter. How cute is that? They leave it at the Dollar Tree. Look how thick that is. I got this at the Dollar Tree. This thing is heavy. Use it as a paperweight. How cool. Anyway, yeah, so I got that for my daughter, and, let me see what else I got her. I got her some pretty cool stuff. Anyway, guys, I don't want to keep this video dragging out. Thanks for staying as long as you did. There will be a video coming up soon that you don't want to miss. So don't miss my videos. I still got Bubby, this little chap. Isn't it cute? Okay, guys. Goodness, enough. I'm so sorry. I just had so much I wanted to talk to you guys about. I'm just so bummed out. Foundation, awesome, awesome, awesome. For your money, you're going out on night on the town. You know, you want to wake up the next morning with that honey you brought home and you still want to look good. You definitely, definitely, definitely want to have this on your face. But, anyway, guys, yeah. I will see you in my next video, and I appreciate you guys watching. If you already haven't, please ring that red notification bell down below, that subscribe button, not notification bell. And then ring the bell beside it, that way you're notified of any of my future uploads. I do and am going to do giveaways once a month, whether they are big or small. All depends on what you consider big and small. So I'm going to do what I can afford. And I love you guys. Whether you are there to support me all the time or not. If you can't make it to my lives, that's fine. I still know you're there. People have lives. And if I'm ever live, nobody, don't be afraid not to go live. It's not going to hurt my feelings. Everybody needs a chance to go live. I do go live a lot. But, and which is what I'm about to do. So, I will see you guys soon.